1. Hi, how are you?
8. I'm go. B. I'm fine, thanks. C. I fine. D. Me good.
Hi, how are you?
I'm fine, thanks.
2. Can I help you?
A. I looking for a book. B. I am look book. C. I'm looking for a book. D. I look for a book.
Can I help you?
I'm looking for a book.
3. Do you like coffee or tea?
A. I like coffee more. B. Yes, I like. C. Coffee is more better. D. I'm like coffee.
Do you like coffee or tea?
I like coffee more.
4. Where are you from?
I'm from A. In Japan. B. The Japan. C. Japan. D. At Japan.
Where are you from?
Japan.
5. Nice to meet you.
A. Nice meet too. B. I'm nice too. C. Nice to meet you too. D. I meet you nice.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
6. What do you do?
A. I am a teacher. B. I do teacher. C. I doing teaching. D. I teacher.
What do you do?
I am a teacher.
7. Could you please open the window?
A. Yes, you could. B. Yes, I can. C. Yes, I open. D. Yes, I'm can.
Could you please open the window?
Yes, I can.
8. I'm really sorry I'm late.
A. No problem. B. You always late. C. You be sorry. D. I am angry.
I'm really sorry I'm late.
No problem.
9. Would you like some coffee?
A. Yes, I would love. B. Yes, I would like some. C. I want it. D. Yes, I like it.
Would you like some coffee?
Yes, I would like some.
10. How was your weekend?
A. It was fun. B. It was very fun. C. I do fun. D. So much enjoyed.
How was your weekend?
It was fun.
11. What time does the meeting start?
8 starts in 9. B. At 9 it start. C. It starts at 9. D. It start 9.
What time does the meeting start?
It starts at 9.
12. Do you have any hobbies?
Yes, I. A. I like read books. B. Reading books. C. Read books. D. Like reading books.
Do you have any hobbies?
Like reading books.
13. Excuse me, is this seat taken?
A. Yes, you sit. B. No, it isn't. Go. C. No, it's free. D. Yes, go away.
Excuse me, is this seat taken?
No, it's free.
14. Can you speak slower, please?
A. Yes, of course. B. I slowly speak. C. I am slower now. D. No, I fast.
Can you speak slower, please?
Yes, of course.
15. It's getting late. I should go.
A. Okay, see tomorrow. B. Yes, you go. C. Take care, see you. D. Good go.
It's getting late. I should go.
Take care, see you. Do you have any request or suggestion? Comment below. See you in the next video.